If you're looking for help fixing your Impecca microwave, look no further. Our comprehensive Impecca microwave repair guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and maybe show you how to repair your appliance. For the home, kitchen and beyond, Impecca manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair. However, if you're in need of Impecca appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. Touchpad does not respond. If you cannot key in numbers on your microwave touchpad but the display is still lighting up, it may be an issue with the control board. The control board supplies the touchpad with low voltage signals. When you press a button on your microwave touchpad, the control board sends a signal to the other microwave components to begin heating. If the membrane switch is functioning as usual, and the connection to the control board looks fine, then the control board likely needs to be replaced. Disconnect power and remove the cabinet and control assembly to replace it. Unusual noise. If an unusual noise is coming from your microwave turntable, the issue may be the drive motor. The microwave uses a motor-driven coupler to turn the glass tray in your microwave. The motor should be replaced if it is making a grinding noise. To access the motor, first unplug the microwave. The motor is usually located in the bottom of the microwave, and is held in place by a retaining screw and wires. If your microwave is making a loud humming or buzzing noise, it may mean the magnetron is not working properly. The magnetron is part of the high-voltage circuit that generates heat in the microwave. To access the magnetron, first unplug the microwave, remove the cabinet and discharge the high-voltage capacitor. Verify that the mounting bolts are tight and that the high-voltage diode is working before concluding that the magnetron needs to be replaced. Doesn't shut off. If your microwave continues running when you open the door, it may be a problem with the door interlock switch. A functioning door switch provides power to other components of the microwave and should interrupt power when the door is open. The components that could stay on when the door is open but the door switch isn't working are the fan motor, stirrer motor, and interior light. There is a hook or latch on the microwave door which activates the door switch, located inside the cabinet. To test this switch, remove the cabinet. The switch usually has wires attached to the terminals labeled C common and no normally open. Use a multimeter to test the switches. There should be continuity when the door is closed, not when it is open. The door interlock switch needs to be replaced if the multimeter shows continuity while the door is open. No heat. Your microwave may turn on but not heat up. This could be caused by a problem with the high voltage diode, which helps to power the magnetron. The high-voltage diode is located in the cabinet. Unplug the microwave and discharge the high-voltage capacitor after removing the cabinet. Test the diode for continuity using a multimeter. There should be low resistance in one direction and high resistance in the other in a working diode. If the resistance is low in both directions or has no continuity, the diode needs to be replaced. If the diode tests normally, the issue may be with the high-voltage circuit, which should only be tested or replaced by a qualified technician. Won't turn on. There are many reasons your microwave won't turn on, one of which might be a faulty door switch. The door switch, also known as an interlock switch, signals other microwave components to begin powering when the door is closed, and to stop when the door opens. For this reason, everything else may appear in working order but the microwave will not begin heating. To access the door switch or interlock switch, unplug the microwave and dismantle the cabinet. The switches have terminals which are marked C for common and No for normally open. Check each terminal with a multimeter for continuity. If there is continuity while the actuator button is engaged, that means the switch is working. If there is no continuity, replace the switch. You can also take this opportunity to make sure the door hooks are working properly.